Pepe Coin down nearly 9% on this day. Should you take this as an opportunity to buy the dip, or is it time to sell all of your Pepe coins? Welcome back to the 99B YouTube channel. I am your host Omar Khan, and today we're taking a dive on Pepe. At least it's down nearly 8.5%. What is going on with Pepe? Is this going to continue to pump, or is it going to dump? Let's go ahead and talk about it and take a look at the good, bad, and ugly. But before we do that, I want to ask if you haven't already, make sure you smash the subscribe button down below, as it helps out the channel tremendously and will hopefully help you reach your 2024 crypto goals. I want to start things off on Twitter, and of course, this is how this happens. I want to start it off by Twitter showing that Pepe was trending. At this point, you have to take my word for it. But moments ago, and you can see on our last video, Pepe was trending on the trending tab, but I guess for some reason it's not. But hey, since we're on X as well, we see Pepe hasn't been as active lately. Last time they reposted from Bitstamp, the future is looking very Pepish, and a big picture of a green moon with Pepe's face carved on it. And Pepe again was trending. That's so sucky how it was literally on trending tab. It's not on the trend anymore. But regardless, Pepe is trending. People are excited. People are bearish. But that may be happening, but on the actual charts, we're seeing like adverse effects. We're seeing it's down nearly 9% on the day. In terms of the week, we are up about 1%, but look at that steep decline. And then on the month, we're down a whopping 1.74%, which isn't terrible. But let's go ahead and take a look at some news. So Pepe update. Pepe will bounce here. I will send you an update on the on a probable entry very soon. Again, those who are entering and sniping at the bottom are definitely in for a bag. Even right now, guys, when you're looking at the charts, right? And you can take this philosophy for either way, whether something's pumping or dumping. When it usually pumps very steeply, especially projects like Pepe and think more blue chip projects, it's inevitable that it's going to reverse, right? Now, the question is how low is it going to go? That's where your technical analysis will come in. But just taking a look at it right now, we can probably see it's not gonna tank more than 9%, right? And again, history repeats itself. We go in 1 month, and the bottom was over here, right? So it's down 1.7% in the month, meaning this might be its absolute bottom. Like this price you see on the screen might be the absolute bottom for a reverses. Now, I'm not saying it's going to reverse all the way and pump to its all-time high. No, it might even be a situation like this. But these are the times where you could basically snipe, buy in at super low prices and take it top. Or even if you're a long-term buyer holder of Pepe, it'd be a great time to lower up your bag and hold and wait for your, your Pepish moon, right? Your big glory day where you're gonna make a massive profit. Now, if you do like buying into projects early and you love Pepe Coin, let me take a second to present to you Pepe Unchained, because Pepe now has its own blockchain and you're early to the party. Buy now and stake in pre-sale to max out on your rewards before the price skyrockets. So the rewards they're offering is 154% AP. Pepe Unchained is better speeds, better gains, and same delicious Pepe flavor. Instant bridging between ETH and Pepe chain, low transaction fees, high volume capacity, 100x faster than ETH, and a dedicated block explorer. This prize has raised nearly $14 million in the pre-sale alone, which is absolutely a massive milestone. And when it does go live, we can only imagine it's going to go like even exponentially crazier. Over on X, they have almost 15,000 followers, growing pretty fast, getting pretty decent engagement as well for a brand new project. This one is ready to blow. If you want to load up on some Pepe Unchained, I'm going to link this in the description below so you don't have to go searching. All right, Pepe taking up a lot of space in the news tab as well. Lots of people talking about Pepe. Excited to see, is this a peak or are we going to see some further gains from here? In terms of technical analysis, we can see oscillators are in buy, pretty bullish. Moving averages are in sell, strong sell, very bearish. Total summary giving us sell. Again, I think we're going to see a reverse on the chart over here, especially when you look at the 1 day, you see a clear picture that it's bound to reverse. We already see a mild reversal taking place right now. By the time we post this video, I'd imagine it might even pump higher than it is right now. But again, only time will tell. But let me know in the comment section below if you're bullish or bearish for Pepe. Overall crypto market, guys, looking interesting as well, down 3.4%. Fear ingredient index at 36 fear. Bitcoin in the red, Ethereum in the red. It's almost a red day. This is the end of the week, or I guess the beginning of the week on the time you're watching this. So we could anticipate next week to be a more fruitful week for crypto and the stock market. And again, Pepe at number 3, just under $3 million market cap. It's seen greener days in the past, and hopefully we'll see greener days in the future. But like always, guys, none of this is financial advice. Always do your own research and due diligence before investing any money in the cryptos we cover on this channel. And do let me know in the comment section below as well. Are you bullish for Pepe or are you bearish? I want to hear it all. That wraps the video. Until next time, is your friend Umar. Peace.